discount or loss on issue of debenture is to be written off out of securities premium reserve and then from statement of profit and loss. But the first priority is for securities premium reserve. If a company has a balance in securities premium reserve, then this will be utilized first for writing off discount or loss on issue of debentures. In case if the company is not having maximum or balance in the securities premium reserve, then it can go for writing it from statement of profit and loss. Now, what journal entries are we going to pass for writing off discount or loss of issue of debentures? Since we know that discount on issue of debenture is a nominal account where the rule goes debit all expenses and losses. So when we are writing off, that means we are closing discount on loss on issue of debentures and we have to credit that. So which account we are going to debit? Securities premium reserve account. Securities premium reserve account debited to discount on issue of debentures account. Clear? Now coming to the next. Debentures, just like shares, debentures can also be oversubscribed or it can be undersubscribed. Now, in case of undersubscription, no problem is there. Because suppose if a company is issuing 8,009% debenture of ₹100 each and the application comes for 8,000 debenture, then no problem is there. जितना debenture आया है, apply किया गया है public के द्वारा, उतना उसको issue कर देगा. But the problem arises where? When the debentures are oversubscribed. So in case of oversubscription of debentures, we go for three alternative solutions. There are three possibilities to treat oversubscription of debentures. Now, first is outright rejection of excess application. Outright rejection of excess application of debentures. Outright rejection of excess application money with excess. Outright rejection of excess application money on debentures. Then second is giving pro rata or partial allotment. Now, let me give you some examples. Like suppose, if a company issues 8,009% debenture of ₹100 each to the public, and the public applies for 10,000 debentures. So here if you see what is the issued amount of debenture? 8,000, 9% debenture of ₹100 each, and applied by the public is how much? 10,000 debentures. So 2,000 is the excess amount of debentures being applied by the public. Now, in first alternative, what will be the company do? The company will reject the application of excess 2,000 debentures and will allot debentures to only 8,000 applicants. In second case, what will the company do? The company is going to give pro rata allotment. That is, 10,000 debentures holder will be given 8,000 debentures. So company will be giving pro rata allotment. That means to every 10 debentures, the company is going to allot 8 debentures. And coming to the third alternative. What is the third alternative? That is combination of first and second alternative. It's a combination of first and second alternative. Now, what will be the combination of first and second alternative? Just see. Like, company issued 8,000 debentures. 8,000 debentures of ₹100 each. And the public applied for 10,000 debentures. Now, what will the company do? The company will first reject, like suppose there is 500 nil. 500 debentures will be given, no allotment. And then coming to the next, total is 10,000 debentures. Okay, now to 1,000 debenture, company will give an allotment of say 500, and remaining left is 8,500. Okay, 8,500, here I am taking it 2,000. Let's suppose take 2,000. 2,000 it gave 1,000. 1,000 and left is how much? 20, 25, 7,500. 7,500 it gave 7,000. ठीक है? So this is combination of outright rejection 500 को कुछ नहीं दिया, nil, no allotment. 2,000 को कितना दिया? 1,000. और रिमेनिंग कितना बचा? 7,500 को कितना दिया? 7,000. तो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दो अल्टरनेटिव, इसमें ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि किसी को फुल अलॉटमेंट दे दे, फुल अलॉटमेंट दे सकते हैं. जैसे अगर हम इसको चेंज कर दें, मान लो कि 1,000 डिवेंचर को nil, no allotment दिया, ठीक है. 2,000 के लिए जो अप्लाई किया उसको दिया 2,000, ठीक है. और बाद बाकी जो बच गया मेरे पास 7,000, क्योंकि टोटल मेरे पास 10,000 डिवेंचर का एप्लीकेशन आया. 7,000 को कितना दिया? 7,000 को देगा 6,000. तो इस तरह से कंपनी जितना कंपनी डिवेंचर इशू किया है उससे अधिक अलॉट नहीं कर सकता है. तो ये ऑल्टरनेटिव्स आप अपने से बना सकते हैं, ठीक है. मेन ऑल्टरनेटिव को समझना है. अब दूसरा क्या है कि जो एक्सेस एप्लीकेशन, the debentures who have been rejected, their money will be refunded, and the debenture holders to whom pro rata allotment is given, their money will be adjusted at the time of allotment, or their money will be adjusted in allotment. So this is the treatment of oversubscription of